Hey guys, it's your girl Eyelash here, and obviously if you read the title, you already know what this video is gonna be about. Y'all excuse my voice, like I just woke up trying to do a voiceover so I can get this video out. I know I haven't posted, and y'all probably like, girl, where's you at? Like, we don't like that. So I'm finna come back with a consistent post. I just had to take a personal break real quick, get everything I needed to get together. But this hair is from DSoar hair, and this is their 24-inch jerry curl, I believe, either jerry curl or kinky curl, one of those. But this hair is so pretty. Like, I love this texture of hair. I just never find the right company that has the hair that's like good quality in this like texture, because this texture is very deep, and if it's not good, it's gonna tangle, it's gonna be a mess. But this hair right here, this hair is honestly some really good hair. You guys seen I worked with DSoar hair before, and I agreed to work with them again just because I really liked their hair that I got the last time. And this is the Aussie 3-minute curls, miracle curls, and I use this in my real hair, so I decided to use this in this hair, and it works really well. The curls, you can tell the curls are just bomb, y'all. Like, y'all can see it for yourself. This hair is just super duper bomb, and I think the density of this wig, either 180 or 250. I will have all, y'all, I get so many wigs that I haven't even dropped videos for yet that I just be forgetting literally the texture, name, like all the details for one specific wig. So I will just be putting the links and everything to this specific wig in the description box. And then, oh, you guys see me putting on my Eco Styler gel. I just put a little bit on, like a coat of it, just to keep the hair tamed when it dries, instead of it getting super duper big. It still gets bigger, it just doesn't get like crazy frizzy and big and stuff. But this hair, this lace is bomb. This hair is bomb. I show you guys the amount of shading that I get, and it's really not a lot at all. Like, especially for me to be brushing out a whole section of hair, it's not a lot of hair at all that's shedding from this wig. And hair, curly hair is normal to shed, so don't be alarmed, but it definitely is a good wig, y'all. I got a cap size small, and it's perfect for my head. They also have measurements for the cap size and everything like that, just in case you don't know, you're not sure. But y'all, I will be doing a wig giveaway soon. It's coming up, so stay tuned, because I'm telling y'all, I'm finna give back to my subscribers 10 times. So I just want to say I thank everybody for supporting me. Even when I wasn't posting, you guys was still there. Now 2020 coming, and we got to get better. We got to get up, y'all. Share my videos, recommend my videos to people, comment, be active on here, y'all. Like, let's get active on my channel, for real. I'm gonna be doing more story times. I got videos coming up that I have taken that I haven't even posted, so just stay tuned, y'all, with me. I'm gonna keep giving y'all some good hair videos, good makeup videos. I'm never gonna post hair that I don't like unless it's just horrible and I have to tell y'all about it. But if it's not good, I'm not even gonna take my time to post it. I'm not gonna recommend something that's bad to you guys. One of my subscribers just DM'd me the other day talking about some website was using my pictures and this and that. So just always double check with me if you not sure about buying hair. You can Snapchat me, DM me, whatever. Email me and I'll get back to you. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are interested in this beautiful hair, make sure you go ahead and look in the description box, and it will have all the details that you guys need to order this hair. I also have coupon codes below, so make sure you guys use those to get y'all money off, get y'all money's worth, period. Keep watching, keep subscribing to me, keep liking my videos, keep supporting me, and it's gonna be worth it in the end. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys like this video. When you do subscribe, make sure you hit that bell so you can get all post notifications. And this hair is a 9 out of 10 just because, you know, the shedding was still there. But I really love this hair. Bye, y'all. Love y'all so much. Bye.